The Advanced Energy 3152261-018 MDX 500 is a programmable power output supply for high voltage. This unit was dead when it arrived, and we performed a complete rebuild of the entire system. After the rebuild, we were able to hook it up to a light load and verify the operation of the output, and also verify the internal monitoring of the MDX 500 was correct. ERD also verified the full output of 1200 volts DC unloaded, which was within specification. At ERD, we performed tests on repaired equipment to verify specifications of the original equipment manufacturer, and are fully capable of running these tests monitored for any needed time window. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.